Hey guys, it's Dave at HD Trucks and Equip here in fabulous Henderson, Tennessee. And it's like I always say, it's not all about work. And I got a question for you. How many of you car guys know what this is? That's the hood emblem. This is the car. Four-door. Anybody got any guesses yet? I'll tell you what, that's the #1 reason why this is one of my favorite cars. This is a 1938 Hupmobile. Hupmobile. Nobody that comes in here ever knows what that is. And then when I tell them it's a Hupmobile, they go, well, who made that? Well, Hupmobile, that's what the car was. Such a cool car. This car is absolutely gorgeous. This is a 1938. Somebody put a lot of time, a lot of effort, a lot of money, a lot of everything in this thing. Power windows, power seats, both sides. Beautiful. Tilt, updated dash, vintage air conditioning, small block Chevy underneath the hood. Look at down there, you can see that. That's even got little entrance lights on it here. Such an awesome car. There's your headliner and your sun visors. Split windshield. How cool. Here is your back seat. And lo and behold, it's even got rear controls for the air and the heat. And look at the leg space. Holy mackerel, it's like sitting in a limousine. Look at this thing. This is why I like the vintage cars. This is why I like the late 30s, early 40s. Unbelievable. This is just dust from the show floor. Look at this. Look at the styling on here. It is just absolutely awesome. It's off the hook. These cars are just absolutely gorgeous. All finished. It's even got a little thing there that catches it and holds the trunk open for you. It's powered by a little small block Chevy 350 automatic transmission. Just a nice little car. This is not designed to be one of my fire-breathing dragons. This is just the kind of cool little car that you can take out and go down the road and have a fun time. Have one of the coolest cars on the block. Nobody will know what this car is. It's absolutely phenomenal. Check this out. Again, this is why I love the vintage cars. Look at the mechanics. Look at the way they do this. Now this is really cool. You see that little handle right there. Remember the old fender skirts? Well, you lift that handle up, and then this panel removes right here, all the way around there, up to here. This comes off, the headlight assembly stays, but then that's a wide open area, so you can actually work on the motor if you have to. That's factory design. That's the way they built it back in 1938. There's your air conditioning. Nice little small block Chevy 4-barrel. It's not designed to be a rocket here. It's just designed to be a fun car. Power brakes. Such a cool little car. The styling and all of the way that they did this stuff was just so cool then. Just look at this. And again, it's a 1938 Hupmobile. So if you were going to start to build this car, first, you got to try to find a Hupmobile to start with, something that's salvageable. And then you got to try to find all the parts. Where are you going to find that little piece of chrome? I'll just about guarantee you that there's not a lot of aftermarket companies out there. It's got the nice aftermarket wheels on it. Steel car, steel running boards, everything. This car is so cool. So a 1938 Hupmobile. Small block Chevy powered, I guess, retro mod, I guess, if that's what you want to call them. I don't particularly care for that word, but there you go. If you're looking for one of the coolest cars on the block, I've got it sitting right here for you. right here at HD Trucks and Equip in fabulous Henderson, Tennessee. And if you want to give me a call, if you want to take a look at this a little closer, my phone number is 602-510-5444. And as always, I thank you for looking.